Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the spark wire harness in your double oven gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Lift off both grates. Pull off the 5 control knobs. Open the upper oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 lower screws, securing the manifold panel. Next, unthread the 2 upper screws securing the panel. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift off the panel. Use an adjustable wrench to unthread the nut to release the gas supply tube from the manifold. Use the Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the front screws securing the cooktop. Lift the cooktop assembly up and support it. Remove all 5 burner caps. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 2 screws securing the center surface burner cover. Lift off the cover. Now use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the 2 screws securing each burner base. Lift the bases straight up to remove. Now use the Phillips head screwdriver or the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the screws securing the manifold assembly brackets to the cooktop. Detach the surface igniter wire retainers. Fully remove the cooktop. Remove the retaining clips from the wires. Now disconnect each wire from its respective surface igniter. Next, use the Phillips head screwdriver or the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread all of the screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Note the location of the spark wires connected to the spark module, then disconnect them. Detach the 2 plastic retainers, and you can fully remove the old harness. Install the new spark wire harness by feeding it under the right side of the control panel. Connect the wires to the spark module terminals. Snap the plastic retainers into place on the rear panel. Reposition the rear access panel. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Connect the wires to their respective surface igniters. Place the wires in the retaining clips. Reposition the cooktop. Thread the screws to secure the manifold assembly to the front of the cooktop. Position each orifice assembly. Align the burner base and thread the screws to secure. You'll need to secure the center surface burner cover with its own set of screws. Replace the burner caps. Secure the spark wires using the retainers. Remove the support and lower the cooktop assembly. Thread and tighten the two front screws. Insert the gas supply tube into the manifold and thread the nut. Be careful not to damage the tube by over-tightening the nut. Realign the manifold panel on the support brackets. Thread and tighten the upper and lower screws to secure. Replace the control knobs on the valve stems. Reposition the grates. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.